Hey, what's up? So I'm trying to make a video to show you how to save money. If you can refill these things, you just need this part. It's a part I got on Amazon. It was like $8, and so I got this. I don't know the cost, but these are more expensive than just filling it. Refilling it is a lot easier. I like to put this on first. Make sure keep it off, put it on tight, and then alright, so now we got it connected, tight, and then flip it over, that, turn it on, you can hear it. Alright, turn it off. Alright, so I did that wrong. This shouldn't come off. You should take this can off next, but it's full now. So I'm going to do the other one. So this one first, make sure it's off. Put that on. So yeah, I'm going to do it right this time. Wait a bit. I haven't been trying to make them full, I'm just trying to make them, part full, and I got a few of them, so I don't really need to try to make it full. That's why I try to just keep it on a short time. I think that's good. Alright, so turn it off, and then next take this bottle off. There, now I didn't lose any. This off. Now this can stay on, but I think it's better to take it off. And now I have 2 full containers.